feel the need to start this video by stating that I do actually have 2 other videos to edit, and this is a completely irrelevant video that's not needed at all. But I bought a drone. It's the DJI Mavic Mini. It's pretty cool. To fly a drone in the UK, you need a license if it's above 250 grams. This baby weighs 249 grams, so I don't need a license or to register it or anything. I just fly it up. Don't be an idiot. If you buy this, don't go flying around your town centre. I don't think that's allowed, regardless of the weight. But yeah, so I decided to test out on my buddy Jake's car, and generally, thanks Jake. I was so worried I was going to crash it into it and stuff. But I didn't, thankfully. I did, however, crash it a couple of times, including like this. And I have actually already broken some blades on it, so I'll need to replace them before its next flight. But for what it's worth, it's a drone that I feel anyone can fly, because I went for this cheap option as like a starter learner type thing, and I genuinely believe that if any other DJI is like this, anyone can fly these things. But yeah, I put together a tiny video of what we did. There's no like filters or anything, I haven't color corrected anything, but other than that, there's zero stabilization. Everything is exactly how it came out of the lens, other than the music and the cutting and stuff. The least rewarding thing about filming anything is obviously that there was about 30 to 40 minutes of footage shrunk down into a minute. So yeah, anyway, enjoying this little scenic edit thingy. And that's literally it, the shortest YouTube video on this channel, maybe ever. I did actually buy the drone for an actual reason. I've got a little project thing type what's it coming up, so figured a drone would be cool for it. So do subscribe. I really am trying to hit like 1,000 subscribers, which is probably ridiculous to be honest. I think we're on 200 at the moment. So if you just came across this video and you hate it, just still hit subscribe. And if you do follow me on Instagram but don't follow me here, what are you doing? I release a video like once every 6 months. It's not that annoying, just hit subscribe. Alright, thanks for watching. Stardubs.co.uk and Stardubs on Instagram, Stardubs on Facebook, and Stardubs1 on Twitter. I don't tweet though, so you know, it's whatever. Alright, bye.